and she's sitting on whites. Welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley Shakana. If you're new here, welcome. If you're coming back, hey girl, hey. Today we're doing this look. It's a cute halo eye. This could be date night, night out with your girls, whatever. But if you want to see how I got this look, continue watching. And before you start the video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, let's jump into it. First, I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and I'm gonna put that on my lids. By the way, I did already do my brows, and I used the e.l.f. Instant Lift Brow Pencil. So you just wanna blend, 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 baby. You just wanna make sure you have a smooth base. You then want to go ahead and set that with your powder. I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. Y'all know I love that stuff. Today we're going to be doing a halo eye. I'm doing the eye posted on my Instagram probably a week ago, and a lot of people asked me to post a video, so I'm recreating that look. By the way, if you're not following me on Instagram, do that now. It is at Ashley Shakana. That's me. So to begin the look, I'm going to start with a pink tone from the 35B palette, and I'm going to use it as a transition color. Alright, so we're starting with that transition color right below that eye socket area, and we're just blending that out so that we'll have that nice blown out effect to the eye. And you can use any pink shade, honestly. I know I jump from palette to palette, but by all means, if you have any pink shade, use that. Save the coins. Next, I'm going to be going into this color and the Gjorgjievski palette. I believe it's called Dura. And I'm going to blend that a little bit below that first color, right above the crease. And so basically, we're gonna start building that halo eye. So we're gonna go in the transition area, but we're also gonna bring that color to the corners of the eyes. And y'all, this palette is actually really, really nice. I just ordered it from Ulta, and the colors are pigmented. They're not coming off patchy, really smooth. If you're looking for a new eyeshadow palette, Gjorgjievski is where it's at. All their palettes are popping, honey. I also order a blush palette, and so that should be arriving soon. So I'll let y'all know how their blushes are as well. I'm then gonna go in with the color right next to that, Zama. It's an orange tone color. And I'm gonna put that right on top of that prior color. So here we are, we're still building this halo eye, starting to add a little bit of depth and dimension. And so with this orange shade, we're going just a little bit lower on the transition, as well as a little bit closer to the middle of the eye on the lid. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some concealer in the middle of my lid right here. And I'm just going to kind of create that halo effect. So you just want to go ahead and lie down that concealer in the center of your eye. It does not have to be perfect. As long as you get it right in the center of your eye, we'll, fix the rest later. And you can use any concealer. I just use the same concealer that I use to prime my lids. That's that e.l.f. concealer, and it's like a few shades lighter than my skin tone. Go ahead and take that orange color again and just go around the edges of the concealer so that it's not so harsh. Alright, for the lid color, I'm going to go in with this color in the 35 Oak palette. I'm just going to put that in the center where I put that concealer at. Y'all, this palette has been through it. I broke the top, everything, but I love the colors in this palette. And then around that center color, I'm gonna go in with the blush from MAC Film Noir. It's like a plum purplish color, and I'm just gonna go ahead and give the eye some depth. All right, so this is when that halo is really starting to come to life. I'm adding this blush. Yes, a blush. I'm using it as an eyeshadow. You gotta use what you got to get what you want. This color is really pigmented and pretty, and I thought that it would just go with the look. So we're just bringing that depth back in, and I'm just blending it all around, making sure that the edges aren't harsh. Now that I'm thinking about it, when I originally did this look, I believe I applied this color before I did the lid, but we're gonna make it work. Push through, halo, push through. All right, I'm gonna go back in one more time with that lid color, just because I feel like I lost some of that color with that purple. And then what we're gonna do is right on top of that lid color, we're gonna put a lighter color. It's that color right there. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take that original brush that we applied that pink color, and I'm just gonna blend around the edges. All right, y'all, I'm back. So, just gonna give you a little rundown of everything that I did. I applied my eyeliner. Of course, y'all know I use my NYX liner. That's all, that's it. And for lashes, I use my girl Shay's Get Lash lashes. Check her out, y'all. I'm gonna tag her information down below. I use the style 6-inch heels, and they are fabulous, really full, thick, and I love the lash line. Like, it was so easy for me to apply these lashes today. So that's that. Then I went ahead and did my full foundation on my face. Just because y'all know I've done this a few times on my channel. I will put a card up on this side, maybe this side, so you guys can check out my foundation routine if you want to see how I got this base. And now we're gonna go ahead and do the bottom lash line. And so basically what we're gonna do is do everything that we did on top. All right, so we're gonna begin with that plum blush. Oh, this is the wrong blush. It's not it. Where is it? So we're gonna begin with the blush Film Noir, and we're gonna put that on the edges, so just like how we did on top. All right, so now we want to go ahead and go in with that gold tone copper color and just do that in the center. So remember, we're making our bottom lash line a mirror image of the top lash line. So now we're gonna go ahead and go in with that orange color and then with the pink. And we're gonna go ahead and highlight the center color with that color, as well as we're gonna put that color in the tear ducts. So I'm just priming my lashes before I apply my mascara. I'm using my Lancome Lash Primer. And then for mascara, I'm using my MAC In Dimension Mascara. We just want to make sure we coat the top and bottom lashes and making sure that we're blending our eyelashes into our false eyelashes. Alright, so I went ahead and put my bake on for underneath my eyes. Y'all know I've been loving that lately. I'm going to go ahead and do my lips. These lips were a struggle, honey. I could not figure out what color I wanted to go for. I ended up going for like a plummy liner and a nude lip to create this mauvey like color. I'm gonna go ahead and take this bake from underneath my eyes, and then I'm gonna set my face. Guys, this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like the look, go ahead and like down below. You can go ahead and comment. Let me know what y'all want to see in the future, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not. Share my video, tell a cousin, tell a friend, tell your mama. Everybody could get it. But thank y'all so much again, and see you on the next video.